It is 6:16 on this Thursday night. Betsy here. Spring's over.
Just like that.
What's up with that?
And we're done, right? Yeah, we're going to get into this kind of washing machine situation over the next month or two where we go back and forth. It just keeps kind of cycling around on us. We have a beautiful evening that is happening right now across northern Ohio with partly cloudy skies. The rain, though, will be moving in the overnight hours, maybe a few rumbles of thunder, too. Wind advisory posted for Friday, wind gusts over 40 miles per hour possible. And then on the backside of all that wind, the cold is going to be with us this weekend, and yes, snow chances return too. Overnight, we have the downpours moving in, rumbles, maybe a hail threat as well. We are keeping an eye on it. You probably should know that that is a possibility tonight, and it's more or less just because in the middle of the night, you could have those rumbles of thunder waking you up, which is not normal for this time of the year. Temperatures are in the 50s, will fade back into the 40s. Cloudy skies are going to continue to cloud up, and overnight, that's when the rain moves in. We have a frontal boundary that's sitting over northern Ohio right now. It is draped right along the lakeshore. It's a very complex pattern that is set up. There's actually an area of low pressure that's sitting in western Ohio, and that is connected to a much stronger area of low pressure farther to the west. Where this little warm area is, right here in the lower Ohio Valley, that's where the big severe weather threat is for today. And there's already been multiple reports of tornadoes on the ground in southern portions of Illinois and into Indiana at this hour. We'll get the leftovers of these thunderstorms. We are not anticipating severe weather here in northern Ohio, although hail is a possibility, and you can't always rule out gusty winds with any kind of thunderstorms. But on the backside of all of this, then we have the transition from the warm to the cold. As that is taking place, we'll have the wind, and that's where the wind advisory kicks in for tomorrow. So let me take you through your National Designer hour-by-hour forecast. Temperatures staying in the 40s through 10 p.m. The rain just starting to sneak in from the south, and we'll have periods of rain overnight. Some of this rain could be heavy at times, so localized flooding is a possibility. If you are a late-night driver or an overnight driver, that's going to be a thing for you. Temperatures in the mid and upper 40s at midnight. Early morning 3 a.m., we're still dealing with that scattered rain, maybe a few rumbles of thunder threat in northern Ohio, but by 7, it's out of here. Temperatures are still in the 40s in the morning tomorrow. We're probably going to make it into the mid-50s. But then things change, because by the afternoon, here comes a cold front, and this is going to be packing a little bit of a gut punch to it, because by the end of the afternoon and into the evening, you'll likely see wet snowflakes mixing in, and yeah, temperatures drop back into the 30s for Friday evening. That round of snow potential moves out. Saturday, we start dry with temperatures below freezing, and as Saturday goes on, we will start to line up some upper level support that moves across the state. And you can see Sunday, we have scattered snow that's going to be coming down. I think Sunday snow looks like it's going to be a little bit more widespread, but I just don't know yet how much of an impact it will be as far as accumulations, because now we've kind of had this back and forth with the temperatures. Hopefully the road pavement is above freezing. You can kind of see where things go from there. So just hang tight on that one. What I can tell you, these wind gusts, that's going to be a meaningful wind for us for tomorrow. We do have a wind advisory posted along the I-90 and 77 corridors and areas farther to the west. Here's your Union Home Mortgage forecast in the 50s and falling for your day tomorrow. So we're going to start warm, get cold, and stay cold as we head through the weekend. Yeah, there's that snow chance for Sunday. That lingers into Monday with a little lake effect. We'll be in the upper 30s and 40s next week as that washing machine continues to cycle, Russ.
All right, Betsy, thank you.